Hello there. Welcome to the Word for Dominion. My name is Reverend Bassey. Today, I'd like to take from a different version. We've been using the Passion Translation for some time. Today, let's use the Message Translation. And let's read from Philemon, chapter 1, verse 10. Or some people call it Philemon, depending whether you're from the east or from the west. But it reads like this. While in jail, I have fathered a child, so to speak. And here he is, carrying this letter, Onesimus. He was useless to you before. Now he's useful to both of us. Wow. Onesimus was a runaway slave of Philemon. At that time, slave ownership was not considered a crime, as it is today. Scholars are divided as to how Onesimus met Paul. What is important is that Paul led him to Christ while he was in prison in Rome. This book is Paul's personal letter to Philemon on behalf of Onesimus. It's a letter of restoration. Have you ever lost what you really treasured in life and then you have it back in an improved condition? My pastor in Jos, Nigeria, lost his car to snatchers. It wasn't the time of mobile phones, so the thieves were eventually caught in Lagos, Nigeria. And with the landline, he was called to come and pick his car. On arrival, he almost was confused because the thief had done some great refurbishing on the car to increase its sales value. He got the car back in a better frame than before it was stolen. Sometimes, God may allow us a temporary loss to give us a better gain. That's what happened in the story of Onesimus. He had carried the letter to the very master he wrote. What a restoration. I like to see Philemon's face sometimes and ask him the question, how did you feel? Something you lost is coming back to you, refurbished and renovated. It's God's season of restoration. Thank you so much for being a part of this broadcast today. God bless you.